Hi guys, today we'll see what is the stream or what is the streams in Java, also be called IO stream, also be called IO package, and like we are having file handling in C, C++. If you remember, there's a file pointers, and then we work with a file. We open file and close file, and we write something to the file. We read something from the file. So that is a completely file handling, we can say, and how we can read data from keywords, how we can write. So all these input output will happen. So first of all, you have to understand one thing, like in computer or programming, we are having two stuff. Let us say we are having input and then output. Okay. So what do you think? Input means what? Is it read or write? What is that? Read or write? Output means what is that? Is it read or write? You might be thinking that input means write, output means read, right? No, it's completely wrong. Input means read, so it is not right. Okay, so we can say input means read. What happened? Let us say we are entering something through keyboard, we are entering something through mouse and all, right? So at that time, what computer is doing? Computer is reading, right? So input means read. Next, output means obviously it is not read, it is write. So what we see that, oh, we are getting output, so we are reading, right? No, if we are getting output at that time, what computer is doing? So computer is writing, and then you are getting, right? So you just remember these two things, input and output, and we simply call IO also, right? Input or output. So we'll have a complete discussion on this topic. Okay, so how to read and how to write to one stream to other stream, all these things we'll see. Let us have a closer look on the contents of the IO stream. So we will see what is a stream, what are the different type of a stream maintained by Java, and what are the stream class hierarchy, what is the input class hierarchy, what is the output stream class hierarchy, what is the reader class and writer class we are having, and what is the file input and file output class, and what exactly is serialization and deserialization. So we will know all these things today. Okay, so if we talk about input output, as I said, whenever we think about IO means it is input output, right? There comes two entities, a source and destinations. So source is that from where data is read, and the destination is that one to where data is written. So the source and destination is Java could be a file or some data structure, socket or keyboard input. Okay. So if you're reading something, you may read from file, you may read from keyboard, you may read from some data structure, some socket, right? So to do the job of reading and writing, we use the concept called stream. So here is the stream. So a stream is nothing but it is a sequence of bytes traveling from source to destination. Okay, source to destination. Source may be a program, and destinations also are maybe some program over a communications path. So that is what a stream we are having. Okay, so look at this stream. This animation will give a clear picture, like you are doing some input, right? So at that time, computer is reading. So input stream has read the data from you, and now you are sending somewhere. So you are writing. So computer is writing at that time, and it is using some output stream for that sake. So you have seen just a stream of data flowing to destinations, right? Okay, it's very good example or animation to understand the stream. So it's the flow of a byte. So based on what kind of data flow inside the stream, streams are the two type. As I said, it is one is the byte stream and second is the character stream. So one is here, second is there, right? So what is the byte stream? What is the character stream? Byte stream, basic unit of this type of a stream is byte. So B read data byte by byte, B write data byte by byte, extends input stream and output stream. So there's a two class hierarchy we are having on the top of all the input stream classes and output stream. What is that? Input stream and output stream. It is on the top. It is abstract class here. Now there are classes to convert byte stream into the character stream, but there are some classes which we are having and provided by Java, which will help me to convert from byte stream to character stream. Okay, good. Now next we have to understand what character stream. Basic unit for this type of stream is Unicode characters. What is Unicode characters? So if I explain here, look at now this statement first. Let us say you enter a character A in computer. So that is getting converted to the 65. What is the 65? It is a ASCII code, right? ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, right? Each and every characters are having some ASCII code. What happened after that? So this, when you press A, that is getting converted to 65, and then this 65 is getting converted to the binary numbers. What is the binary numbers? How we can find? Look at here, 65. So it is a 32 0, sorry, it is a 1, and then 2 16 0 2 8 0 4 0, right? And then 0, correct? And then 0, right? So the digits are like this. So you can write here 1. How many 0? 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 0 0, correct, this is a 50 and then 1. This is what A, that computer understand. 1 0 0 0 0 and 1, right? So 1 means it is a on, and then off and then on, right? Now if I take this 8 bits, so in a byte, if as we know, 1 byte equal to 8 bits, okay, that's the binary digits. So if I do here, because we are having 0 1 only, right? So if I do to the power 8, we get 256. So we can only symbolize 256 characters like A, B, C, D, something like that. So it is not enough to represent all characters in the world, whatever we are having. We are having Chinese characters, Japanese characters. How we can symbolize that? So this number has been increased now. It has become 16. So now 65,536 characters we can symbolize in a computer. And 16 means what? It is a 16 bit, right? So here we are saying one character equal to 16 bits, right? Here it was like I can say one character equal to 1 byte and 1 byte equal to 8 bits, right? But in this case, one character is taking 16 bits. I mean 2 bytes of memory. How many? 2 bytes of memory. So we can say this is this character is what? Special character and called, uh, I just write it here. Unicode characters. What? Unicode character. So a character which occupies 2 bytes of memory is called Unicode characters. So if you want to manage this kind of characters which takes 1 byte, and then we can say it is a byte stream in Java, byte stream in Java. But you want to maintain this kind of characters, then this is called character stream in Java. So that is what two type of stream we are having: byte stream and character stream. Okay, so I hope you understood this, the difference between the Unicode characters and ASCII code, and we'll see the more details here now. So character stream, basic unit for this type of is what? It is a Unicode characters prefer a way of handling string and text extend from reader and writer classes in the java.io package. So all the classes exist under this package. You have to import java.io package. It creates a buffer reader and buffer writer by passing normal reader and writer classes or subclass into the constructor. So we are having a buffer concept here. I'll explain you the more clearly what is a buffer reader and buffer writer. So we understood this two different type of streams which is maintained in Java.